Karl Anthony Malone, born July 24, 1963, nicknamed the Mailman, is an American former professional basketball player who played in the National Basketball Association for 18 seasons with the Utah Jazz and, in his last season, the Los Angeles Lakers. During his tenure with the Jazz, he formed a formidable duo with his teammate John Stockton, and together they led the team to 2 NBA Finals appearances in 1997 and 1998, losing both times to the Chicago Bulls. Malone's 36,928 career points scored rank 3rd all-time in NBA history, and he holds the records for most free throws made and attempted, in addition to being tied for the 2nd most first-team All-NBA selections with Kobe Bryant, both behind LeBron James. Malone played college basketball for the Louisiana Tech Bulldogs. In his 3 seasons, he helped the Bulldogs to their first NCAA tournament in 1984 and to first place in the Southland Conference in 1985. The Utah Jazz selected him in the first round of the 1985 NBA draft with the 13th overall pick. Malone appeared in the playoffs every season in his career, including the NBA Finals in 1997 and 1998 with the Jazz. He played his final season with the Los Angeles Lakers, with whom he played his 3rd Finals in 2004. Malone also competed with the United States national team in the Summer Olympic Games of 1992 and 1996. In both years, he won gold medals. In 1996, as part of the NBA's 50th anniversary, Malone was honored as one of the 50 greatest players of all time by being named to the NBA 50th anniversary team. In October 2021, Malone was again honored as one of the league's greatest players of all time by being named to the NBA's 75th anniversary team. After retiring from the NBA, Malone joined the staff of the Louisiana Tech Bulldogs in 2007 and was inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2010 twice for his individual career, and as a member of the 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team. Malone is often considered one of the greatest power forwards in NBA history, but his personal conduct has attracted criticism following revelations that, while attending college at Louisiana Tech, he impregnated a 13-year-old. No statutory rape charges were filed. Born in Summerfield, Louisiana, Malone was the youngest of 9 children and was raised on a farm by his single mother, Shirley. Shedrick Hay, his father, was married to a different woman and raising a family with her. Shedrick committed suicide when Karl was 14, though Malone didn't disclose the suicide until 1994. As a child, Malone often worked on the farm, chopped trees, hunted, and fished. He attended Summerfield High School and led his basketball team to 3 consecutive Louisiana Class C titles from 1979 to his senior season in 1981. Malone played in the 1992 and 1996 Summer Olympics and won gold medals with the U.S. team both years. In the 1996 Olympics, Malone averaged 8.4 points, 4.5 rebounds, and 1.4 assists per game, and made 56.9% of two-point field goal attempts and 52.9% of free throw attempts. In 2010, he was inducted into Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, along with the rest of the original Dream Team. Personal life: Malone married Kay Kinsey, winner of the 1988 Miss Idaho USA pageant, on December 24, 1990. They have 4 children: daughter Katie, born November 8, 1991; daughter Kylie, born April 7, 1993; son Karl Jr. KJ, born May 8, 1995; and daughter Carly, born 1998. KJ played football at LSU and was invited to the 2018 NFL Combine. In 1998, the tabloid newspaper The Globe reported that Malone had been a defendant in paternity lawsuits, filed shortly after Malone began his professional basketball career in the late 1980s. The newspaper alleged that he was the father of 3 children to by Benita Ford, a woman approximately his age from his hometown of Summerfield, Louisiana, and one with Gloria Bell, who was 13 when she gave birth. Malone and Ford were both 17 when twins Daryl and Cheryl Ford were born. Malone was a 20-year-old college sophomore when Bell, at age 13, gave birth to Demetris Bell. Under Louisiana law at the time, a child under the age of 17 could not consent to sexual activities, but no statutory rape charges were filed against Malone. In the aftermath of the Globe story, Malone met the Ford twins for the first time since visiting them in the hospital after they were born. Malone did not meet with Bell at that time, and his attorney insisted that Malone had settled the lawsuits before any conclusive establishment of paternity, and thus still did not know whether he was truly the father of any of the children. The Tribune confirmed that the judge in the Bell lawsuit ruled Malone to be the father, not based on presented evidence, but rather because Malone did not respond to the suit. The paper also examined court documents detailing the evidence that was to have been presented had Malone responded and a trial ensued. One item listed was a laboratory blood test that concluded with over 99% certainty that Bell's father was either Malone or a brother of Malone. The paper also reported that applying the same blood sample to the Ford twins resulted in a similarly high probability of paternity by Malone. According to the Tribune, Malone challenged the court's ruling with regard to Bell, claiming that the judgment holding him responsible for $125 per week in child support, plus past and future medical expenses, was excessive. Before Malone's appeal was adjudicated, the lawsuit was settled on confidential terms. In the case of the Ford twins, Malone was ruled to be their father when he violated a court order by refusing to reveal his assets or submit to a DNA test. Thereafter, another out-of-court settlement was reached. By the fall of 1998, Malone accepted his paternity of the Ford twins, and Kay Malone said publicly that the twins were members of the Malone family. Since that time, Karl Malone has maintained a relationship with the twins, each of whom later played college basketball at his alma mater, Louisiana Tech. Cheryl Ford went on to a 10-year professional basketball career with the Detroit Shock of the Women's National Basketball Association. Bell has played as an NFL offensive lineman for the Buffalo Bills, Philadelphia Eagles, and Dallas Cowboys. In 2008, the Buffalo News reported that Bell's first meeting with Malone came shortly after Bell graduated from high school. According to Bell, Malone told him then that it was too late for them to have a father-son relationship. However, in 2014, the two repaired their relationship and were in regular contact by 2018. In 2018, Malone said about his relationship with his older children, "I didn't handle it right. I was wrong. ... Father time is the biggest thief that's out there, and you can't get that back." For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.